Flow is a productivity planner and it has been crafted for neurodiverse minds. So this planner is meant to last for 1 month, but it's completely undated, so you can use it for as long as you like. It has 5 different sections inside it to organize everything in your life and work, and you can navigate them using this side navigation system that is built into the planner. So let's start with the daily plan section because this is the part that you're going to be using the most. You start your day by logging in your energy and you plan your day based on your energy levels. Then you take all your tasks, and usually in a day you're going to have 3 kinds of tasks. You're going to have individual tasks that you have to do for work, then you're going to have follow-ups and meetings, and then you're going to have your personal chores. So you just take all your tasks and you just dump them here. So put them in your to-do section, put them in your follow-up and meeting section, and put them in your personal list. The moment you are done, you will see that your day is already way more structured than it was before. Then you look through your tasks list and you pick up 3 things to prioritize that day. These are the tasks that are probably most important, most urgent, or most impactful. So maybe your priority 1 could be a pitch deck that you need to finish, follow-up calls that you need to make, and maybe it's a personal task that you want to prioritize, like a doctor's appointment. Remember, your objective is not to finish everything on your to-do list because that's not going to be possible every single day. Your objective is to make sure that you complete your top 3 priorities every single day. This entire process is going to take you less than 5 minutes, but the moment you're done, you're going to feel way less overwhelmed. Then let's go to time blocking. So this is the time blocking section. Start by picking out the top 3 priorities of your day and putting them in these time blocks. Once you're done with the priorities, then you can take the rest of your tasks and put them in these time blocks. The way to do this is take similar kinds of work and put them in the same time block. This way you can reduce context switching, build momentum, and conserve your energy. And if there are tasks that are not fitting into your schedule, don't do them today, just shift them to the next day. And there's also space for you to make quick notes or do some quick planning during the day. And no matter how your day goes, end the day on a positive note by logging one thing that you did well that day, no matter how small. This plan is also the best thing for meetings. It's so convenient to carry, it's so sleek, and it looks so chic. And it has a section for meeting notes, which is absolutely perfect. It has space for you to write your meeting notes, but it also has a space for you to write the action items, which are the tasks that you have to do after meetings. So you literally do not miss on a thing, and all your meeting notes are together. You also have a goals section in this planner, and it's structured very simply so you can actually set great goals for yourself every month. And the best part about it is that it also comes with a reflection section right next to it. So at the end of the month, you can take just 5 minutes to reflect on what's been going well and what's not been and what could be better. And of course, we have the personal life section. So all your chores, all your errands, all your cleaning list, shopping list, weekend recommendation, everything go here. And if you want to do some free flow brainstorming or doodling or planning or anything else, we also have a bunch of dot grid pages at the end. So go wild. When I say that this is the only planner that you're going to need and is going to sort out and organize your work and life, I really mean it because it has everything. It has your personal life, it has your daily plans, it has your meeting notes, it has dot grid pages for your creative minds, it has everything. So go ahead and get into the flow state of mind.